Grubhub Driver Sign Up Tutorial. If you want to sign up as a Grubhub driver, download the Grubhub Driver application available on both Play Store and App Store. Once you've done that, if you have an account already as a Grubhub driver, you can log back into your account. But since we're trying to enroll for it, tap on Sign Up to Deliver option. Enter the email address that you want to use for your Grubhub driver account and tap the next option. When you've done that, you'll be asked to enter other options. Remember that you need to have a driver's license, a vehicle, and other options as such if you want to sign up as a driver on Grubhub. And once you've filled out that form that Grubhub will give to you, you will then be able to apply for the Grubhub driver form and then be able to ride on it. This way you can basically sign up as a Grubhub driver. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.